Do you want to save time in the kitchen and avoid crappy takeaway? If the answer is yes, me, then stay watching in this week's short vlog as I want to share with you my mum life sanity saver of cooking once and eating twice. And quite simply, what that means is bulking up or doubling or tripling your meal that you're cooking so you can freeze it off in portions to have for dinner another night or even lunch the next time day. And I do this all the time. I honestly do it all the time for a variety of reasons. First off, it saves time in the kitchen. Okay, if you're in there, you're cooking once and you're eating twice, so you're not having to cook that extra night. Okay, you already have all the ingredients out, so just doubling it or bulking it out with more veggies or beans or whatever it might be that you're cooking is really super easy. Okay, it really is super easy. It also helps you avoid those fast food options you may be tempted to resort to on those busy nights or even those lazy nights. I mean, let's be honest. Instead, you have something in the freezer ready to go that you can literally just pull out and pop in the microwave. It saves money on takeaway, okay, because you've got it all there ready, and you can do it all in one afternoon, or you can just double up as you go. Okay, so some weeks it just depends on what I got on. Some Sundays I might spend some more time on Sunday afternoon cooking up meals, okay, and getting ready for the weeks. Other times I might be just simply like, for example, tonight if I was cooking fried rice, I might just double it, add more veggies, add a bit more protein, and then I would freeze some off. Okay, so basically just doing it as I go. Honestly, it is a lifesaver when it comes to us busy mums. It also helps with my boys, hungry attacks. I've got three boys, so they can get really, really hungry by 5 p.m. We like to eat at 9 o'clock. And so it's so easy to just be able to pull something out, quickly reheat it, have something that's healthy and nutritious on the table, ready to go. So I do not have to stress out. So there you go. Cook once, eat twice. Give it a go and let me know if you do and how you found it. And if you want to find out some more tips, tools, and just some yummy recipes as well, be sure to join my free Facebook community that I've started, the Integrative Mums, if you haven't already. I'll pop the link in the comments to this vlog. I would love to have you inside. It's a beautiful community that I'm creating to help mums work out the daily changes to their food, their body, and their mind so they can become their healthiest self and have more energy to get throughout their day. All right, bye for now.